Hi, my name is Shehraz Noor Masih. So my YouTube channel is Noor Masih. So I just today in Ireland, Galway City County. I just visit today is a old castle. So old castle is a few castles, big one have some small one, but one very old in the nearly half in the in the fell down in the broke. Just only half is life, but beautiful. So I today going travel is going there, and my so many friends is different countries, and request have where you living in the show. After I just said I just sometime is making documentary, so today I travel going there. So many nice beautiful greenery, but just Galway in some time only just few months sunshine and nice, mostly in the rain and cold and very dark have weather, and just very quiet sometime. But today is very nice sunshine and beautiful. So I just going travel, and I show you old castle. And here fox have a rabbit have a and different birds have a beautiful birds, and that too just 25 minutes after is the animal deer is wild, is a tasty. I eat have a very lovely jolly. So I just travel because only just a start is there. After I going maybe there. So here is a farm to start is going a little bit forest too. After that is a castle, is a beautiful castle. So I am travel, so going there. So I just travel and I just some place in the by car travel, some place in the walk travel. I just soon I reach in the castle too early in the way is beautiful, and just you saw in the very nice greenery farm. And after that is the reach the because just have a few minutes distance. So I just soon I just this distance I just go in the walk, because in the here cars I stop in the far. After just I going walk soon I reach. After I show, because I show in the all way in the beautiful way in the video in the look in the next have a here a plant to after in the wall stone wall is very nice, big stone wall have. So in the look is a nice place greenery and very nice. So maybe soon I reach in the castle. It's a very peaceful place, and with castle I just today visit is there because I just like is the old history culture, and that Ireland Galway culture is beautiful village place. And here so many birds, and just to this 25 minute far is a have a deer, lovely deer is a live wild deers. So plenty of deers there, but that place is sometime coming, and fox, rabbit and so many birds is plenty of here. And so it's lovely place and castle. Bye bye. Old history way is beautiful, and just I travel is going have a castle near, because is a castle is my backside is castle, and just I show in the way in the very narrow and beautiful, and no bike, no cars, no any traffic, just only some animal fox, rabbit and deer have a just 25 minute far, sorry. And that castle near is very beautiful. I mostly free time just visit here. Is a lovely castle, and lovely in the natural beauty. Natural beauty is very amazing in the very oxygen and body and feel very different. So here my near is castle. I castle near. So look, castle is there. Because I show you, but this moment is the backside this castle and all forest is very nice. So maybe you sometime visit here. Is Ireland Galway County village, beautiful, excellent. half is broke have. Just only the 3-4% is alive because it's very beautiful in the old history. And just amazing. Look here is wall, and here and downstairs, upstairs is a beautiful Galway, Ireland castle, old history castle. So that is the front, and I just turning in the going back side. The back side is a more beautiful. It's a very big strong wall, and very nice. Is behind is so many animal and a bird and something, and the castle wall is very thick, very big, because here easy no broke and something. It's a very nice. So I just show you castle in the back side. The back side is the more lovely, is lovely. So Galway, Ireland. Today just I coming here village side. After I show you here the castle is the old history in the very beautiful. So you check the here in the back side too. It's very looking have a, because in the all forest that village, so very easy now in the shoot. And here backside, so see ya. Is a lovely castle, is a very old history castle, but just half is a broke. Galway city, Ireland Galway city castle, but just half is just only leave have a half just is broke have a, and a very lovely is a lovely.